Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Coin and take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole. Without further ado, we're at 11,400 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded Lion NFT. Let's hop into this video. So, guys, over on Twitter, I made a post on 333 Blacksea. I said, "What is your favorite thing about the Crow and the Cronos ecosystem?" Let me know, Crow fam. I want to know, guys. Go over to my Twitter, let me know. But I think that my favorite thing about it is the opportunity that's behind it. The fact that they own the domain name crypto.com and that they have a massive centralized exchange, people forget about this, how big of a deal that is. It is, I would say, one of the most favored centralized exchanges in the world right now. Binance is constantly getting hit by FUD. I mean, there was a moment in time when Crypto.com was getting FUD attack after FUD attack after FUD attack, but Binance has been getting hit by FUD recently, and they're having people resign constantly. There's constant pressure on the U.S. side of the Binance company, and Crypto.com is favored in the West, for sure. Binance is more of everywhere else except for the West, really. But they are still a massive, massive exchange. But I do think that Crypto.com has the potential to really take hold and take a strong, firm grip on this market share in crypto. Because not only their domain name, especially when another hype cycle comes around for Bitcoin, the first thing people are going to do, they're going to go on Google and search crypto, and the first thing that will come up is crypto.com. They are also the number one exchange with the most licensing in the entire world, guys. This is my favorite thing about Coin and crypto.com is crypto.com. This ecosystem, the crypto.com platform in itself creates such a massive opportunity, and that's my favorite thing about it. But let's take a look over the market. So right now, Bitcoin is at $26,609. We are up a little bit since yesterday. We're getting some liquidity flowing back into the market. The Bitcoin dominance level sitting at 49.21%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at 51.21%, roughly, give or take 0.05 percentage points. But we are increasing. Bitcoin dominance is increasing. I expect it to continue to increase as we get closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. We are getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. Once my lines load up a little bit, let's refresh it. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah, we're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. We are about 8 months away, hypothetically, give or take another month or so. But I do think that we're going to be a little bit bearish right now. I do. I think that there are some indicators flipping to longing right now that we're going to have a bounce off of the quad witching hour, which is due to happen, I believe, today or tomorrow. But we are going to be trading sideways, in my opinion. For every quad witching hour, we usually bounce off the bottom. We bounce and make a little bit of a move to the upside, but it doesn't mean it's going to be continuation. There just tends to be reversals during quad witching hours. But I still want to zoom out and focus on the longer term time frame because I do believe that we'll probably still be chopping around for an extended period of time, guys, with potential capitulations to the downside. It's just part of the 4-year cycle, and the 4-year cycle is really the main data point that we have to follow. And if you look at the previous cycle, we had the 6 months where you wrecked the bears, and then you had the 6 months that you wrecked the bulls. That's just kind of how it played out, and that's how it usually plays out in the year leading up to the Bitcoin halving, guys, even back here as well. But it is important to know that it doesn't have to follow it to the exact dollar amount. It does not have to follow it exact candle to candle, but I do believe that that is the best data point we have to follow, and I do think that we're probably going to be chopping around for a little while, guys. So you need to be patient. You need to be patient. You need to be patient. You need to make sure that you don't get shaken out if we come down and test 21,000 and bounce off of it. Don't sell when we capitulate to 21K, because then we're followed up to, say, 50K. Don't sell the bottom, guys. Buy the bottom, sell the tops. I know it's easier said than done, but when everyone's running, when it's a vacant land in the crypto space, that's when you should be buying. And if you are around in that time, which is about right now, reward yourself, pat yourself on the back, because you will be rewarded heavily in the bull market to come. Over on Crocoin, we are getting a little tiny bounce because there is liquidity moving back into the market, but I do think that we're probably going to be chopping around here, especially if Bitcoin decides to make a little bounce. I don't really expect us to make a move to the upside, but I do expect that there is selling pressure, especially if we capitulate to the downside on Bitcoin to 21,000. But until then, I'm not surprised if we trade in this tight channel right here between 5 cents and 5.5 cents, staying in between the lower fives. But be patient, guys. Be patient. Don't get shaken out if we make a quick little bounce to, say, 4.5 cents. Don't get shaken out, guys. Be patient. Be patient. There's lots of opportunity. But if you like this type of content, guys, these quick updates, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. All you have to do is click the join button on our homepage or below this video. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, guys, we are giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin every single month to a member. Super excited about that. But that's all I got. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.